Hi, Makeup New York team, Stephen Corsi here, Vice President of Packaging Development for Roberts Beauty on the West Coast. We have some items for your consideration for the awards show. So this represents a completely new delivery system for powder products. As you can see, this represents the silhouette is a makeup artist brush, but in the handle we have powder and we have a flow-through system to deliver that to the brush. This is covered by Roberts IP, but as I said, this is basically representing a whole new system in terms of delivering makeup via a flow-through system to a brush. The whole head assembly turns on and off, so that's to control the flow. So the user can control the flow to full on for maximum flow through of powder, and then switch off at the end of use or switch off during use. We've done this in as sustainable materials as we can. So first off, I'd like to talk about the hairs. We're using synthetic hairs for our brush, which is quite important. In terms of the head assembly, I'm going to show you some prototypes. These are tool prototypes. So this whole head assembly is in polypropylene, the whole assembly, and then the handle is in PET, not PETG. Very important. PET, I think that represents a lot of value in terms of use for the consumer.